Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. This is a real special drawing for me. It's one that I've been wanting to do for quite a while now. I guess that drawing Mickey Mouse is where my art journey started. Probably about 8 years ago, we went to Disneyland and my youngest daughter at the time was obsessed with Mickey, as all children I guess are when they come back from Disneyland, and wanted me to start learning how to draw him. So I can remember buying a book from one of the shops in Disney, which was a Learn How to Draw Disney Characters book, and I spent hours trying to perfect Mickey's face and the body. I just thought that it would be quite a nice drawing to do, just to see how much I'd improved. So as always, I've started freehanding a sketching with a 2H pencil. This is a Caran D'ache pencil, and then I used Copic markers for the majority of the rest of the colours. I used a cadmium red for Mickey's shorts. For the darker area, I didn't go black straight away. I went to a cool grey 7, because if you've watched any of my videos before, what I like to have is I never like to have a flat colour. And if I put black down with a Copic marker initially, I can't really go any darker. And if you can't go darker in a certain area, what you're left with is a flat area of colour. So what I've used is the cool grey 7, and then what I use is I'm using my my coloured pencils. I recently purchased some PRISMACOLOR pencils. So I use for the black on Mickey, I'm using a black PRISMACOLOR pencil, which you can see now. And what this does, this just brings out a little bit more dimension and shape. You can particularly see it in the ear area here. I also use a white PRISMACOLOR pencil just to bring out some highlights. Again, as you can see, going around the ears and in a few select places. All in all, this drawing took me about an hour and a half. It wasn't a really detailed drawing, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. My little girl's eyes lit up when I showed it her, because I've obviously not drawn Mickey for a long time. She's been looking at me drawing anime and manga and realistic drawing. So when I showed her this one, she was really pleased with it. So she's my biggest critic. If she likes it, then I'm happy with it. I added a comic panel background to this one as well, which you'll see in the final picture. This just makes Mickey look as though he's popping off of the background. For Mickey's shoes, I use an acid yellow. This is a very bright yellow. I really love the colour. And then I just use a few different skin tones around Mickey's face just to bring out some dimension. I used a crimson red, as you can see now, for Mickey's tongue, and then I shaded over that with the black PRISMACOLOR pencil. I'm really having a lot of fun with this channel at the moment, guys. I am doing daily videos and I'm doing requests as well. So if you have any requests for me, then please don't hesitate to send me a comment down below. Somebody that you'd like me to draw a character, maybe another Disney character. I'm doing realistic graphite portraits. I did a recent picture of my dog, Kira. So that's a really lovely picture. But if you've got anything you want me to do, then don't forget, send me a comment down below. I'd also like to connect with you on social media. The links to all of my social media are down below. That's Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. It'd be really nice to hear your thoughts on upcoming videos, any of my past videos. Maybe you've got something you'd like to learn, you'd like to ask my advice on something. Maybe you're interested in growing your own YouTube channel, and perhaps I've got some advice that I could help you with along that front. So it'd be really great to hook up with you. We're ending the video almost towards the end now. So I just wanted to thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos, subscribing, everything that you've done so far, the requests, the comments, they're all greatly appreciated. I'm having a blast with the channel and love enjoying some of these characters. So thank you so much once again. I hope you're enjoying Mickey Mouse as much as my daughter did. And I'll leave you now with the final picture of Mickey that I took. I like taking them from this angle, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.